My adventures in Wonderland began when I followed the white rabbit down the rabbit hole. All of a sudden, I fell. Down, down, down.
Looking for the white rabbit? Well, have a crown.
Oh, Mr. Rabbit, wait, please.
He went this way. No, that way. Wait, it's a really important date. Okay, just say hello, goodbye, and later.
And the sun was like a toy balloon. Then on gift of in the morning glory, the golden afternoon. They're bees. Now this is curious. Country.
He went this way or something. I'm not sure where I am either.
Right. Don't go, please.
You could try this way.
Lose his head.
Since this is the thought we dread, we're painting the rose's head.
Don't tell the queen what you will see.
Or say that's what we said. But we're painting the rose's head.
Your Royal Majesty, the Queen of Hearts, and the King.
Shall we play croquet?
Rule 42. The Queen always wins.